Hello, and welcome to my new channel. My name is Sarah, and I live out by Delamere Forest in the UK with my lovely partner, John. This, however, was all filmed in Norway. You see, this isn't just a vlog to document the day-to-days of a road trip from the south of Norway to the western fjords. It's also documenting the start of a much bigger adventure, something we haven't quite got our teeth into yet, but it's the very beginning and we would love you to come along with us. So buckle in and let's go. Morning.
Good morning from sunny, believe it or not, Norway. Crisp, clear morning, clear blue skies, everything that England isn't.
We're in Skogstad Hotel in Hemsedal, which was to break up our journey up to the north, which is Norns, where we're going next, the next cabin.
Yeah, we landed in Torp Airport just outside Oslo at about 9:30.
Yeah, and then
it was.
We got a hire car. What's that car?
It's a Mitsubishi something. I've ridden my motorbike across Europe and driven across Europe so many times, but first time driving a left-hand drive car, which was, different, but we got into the swing of it and no accidents.
That's been fine.
Yeah.
It's a lovely drive.
Yeah. It's nice to drive a new car, actually, instead of something lowered to the ground, which doesn't break your neck every time you go over a speed bump.
Yeah. And the scenery is just beautiful, isn't it? It's just...
Yeah, cameras will never do it justice.
Mountains. A big thank you to the staff at this hotel. We had such a pleasant experience. Upon arrival, they upgraded our room and it was out of season, so it was fairly quiet there. And they have a lot of bars. And when we went down to the bar, the staff came and found us no matter where we were. We didn't really know where we were supposed to go, but it was fine. We could explore. And the food was amazing. The drinks were great. And the prices weren't bad either. We had such a good time. Unfortunately, we didn't get to use the spa, but hopefully next time we will. Highly recommended. So we're eating this big pizza and there's a gym right there. Just had to pay a toll to get through this lovely area, which is very snowy and the lake was frozen over.
But despite what you see on the roads, it's not slippy. The car's gripping really well.
And I'm just in love with the place. I just want to live in every cabin that I see. Now I should mention, there's a much quicker, direct and safer route to take during the winter season, which would have taken us to our end destination. However, this route was not only stunning, but it was part of our ambition to fit in as many visits to Stave churches as possible. In fact, we visited one as soon as we got off the plane. Come on. We got some Stave churches to see. There's 28 Stave churches in Norway, with the majority being medieval. You see, I've got a huge admiration for the staves. They've influenced a lot of my art, and if you look amongst the tarred wood, you can often spot traditional Viking and Celtic carvings. Many believe they were also built on sacred Norse land. Hello. Wow. Great.
Oh wow, how beautiful.
It's not any well.
It's windy. Whilst this is doing very well, this little car, I do wish we got a 4x4 for the extra cost.
Yeah.
It's just that little extra